Hello, everyone. Hopefully, this is coming to you live. I should have had like a screen go on. Well, it's been a little while, and hopefully, you can hear me all right. I'm Matt with Schematical, and yeah, I do AI stuff and gaming stuff, and even tech hardware stuff, build stuff, invent stuff. I don't know. Looks like I'm streaming, but welcome to the channel if it's your first time here. Today, I looked at my stats. It's been since September since I've done a video. So I said I'm going to unbox some stuff today. And we're going to do it live on the channel. Oh god, I hope it didn't cut through anything important there. So I got some fun toys. And if you didn't guess from the video title, ooh, this might be it. I don't know. Nope, this is something else. This is a portable battery bank. You might want to know why. Well, let me find out which box the actual goodies are in. Is it this one? I doubt it. It's a little too small, but we're going to find out. So you might wonder why I haven't posted a video in quite a while. Well, I've been working 2 consulting contracts that have been extremely engaging and at the same time kind of brutal. Okay, nope, this isn't quite it. This is kind of cool though, because I'm going to need this for multiple reasons. This is an Hdmi switcher that allow me to switch between different HDMIs very quickly. Make more efficient use of my monitors. But hold on. I also have a new notebook for me. Let's get to the good stuff here. So much stuff on my desk. It's not even funny. Let's see. I should have this side is up. Amazon. So I did the 2 consulting contracts and I moved. Some of you guys know to a different. I mean, I'm here temporarily, so I don't want to say I moved permanently by any means. But a little bit. Ooh, all right. New case. I'll go over that in a minute. But here goes. That's what I'm really excited about. Okay. Check it out. I almost sprung for a cam link, so I could pump from my other camera into my DSLR. It doesn't actually work with it. So check. Where is it? I'm not even sure which one it actually is. I think this is it. Raspberry Pi computer. I got myself a Raspberry Pi. Not my first. I think probably had like a version 1 of it. So that was quite a while ago. So we're going to do some fun projects with this. If I can figure out how to open it. Looks like open here. All right. God, I hope the audio is working on this. Hey, I got some people here. Spaghetti, I didn't even see you. Armit, hey. Assam Ahmed, sorry. Welcome, everybody. I didn't even see you chatting there. Thank you, people, for actually jumping on. I'm impressed. We've actually got 3 concurrent viewers on a random stream. Check out my Raspberry Pi. Well, either way, welcome. Spaghetti, you've been in the forum all day giving me chatting up, haven't you? This is cool. This is cool. All right. We're going to power this thing up. I'm not sure how far I'm going to get with it, but we'll see. Let's see. This is a Pi switch. I think it powers the device, if I had to guess. Allows me to turn it on and off. There we go. I got all sorts of cool AI stuff I've been thinking about. What is this? Oh, wait, is this these USB micros? I can use this with my GoPro, I think. That's really cool. They came with that. That is awesome. So I can do dual monitor with it, which is nice. I'm running out of room to put stuff here. So, how's everybody's day going, huh? Ooh, we got a little fan. What's the Raspberry Pi for? Good question. Hassan, I hope I'm saying that right. Good question. I've got a couple different project ideas. Some of them originally were around hosting your own data for privacy and security stuff. I've been doing a lot of security work lately for my various projects, making sure everything's locked down. And I said that would be kind of cool, host your own data and various things. Another thing I wanted to do, we've been looking at, is a lot of machine learning stuff. I thought it'd be kind of cool to build my own knockoff Alexa clone and get into the inside of that too and make voice controlled. And I've also thought about doing some image recognition stuff with it. So there's a lot of cool stuff I think would be really useful for. I mean, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Like, I got this whole idea for a virtual reality IDE that you could integrate a development environment, so the next generation of coding. But yeah, this is, I guess it mounts in here somehow. It's got a Pi camera link in there. I don't know how that works, but we will find out. Let's see. Ooh, look at this. Dear valued customer. Cool. This is the different, I think this is for the different peripheral here. Yeah, that looks cool. It didn't come with as a SIM card, I think, but I knew that was coming. I should probably read some instructions, but I'm just so excited, I'm just skipping over that. But yeah, we got all sorts of people giving ideas on what we could do with this Raspberry Pi. I've wanted another one for a while. I got some other ideas involving various radio type frequencies and stuff. All right. If I fry this board right away, I'm going to be salty as heck. I should have had this ready to go with that HDMI out bit, but I wanted to open the box on camera, so I couldn't. I'm plugging this in below. Let's see. All right. I don't know if I should plug it in there. Hold on. Let's get the HDMI set up first. Okay, I'll go and show you guys what I got going on there. That way we can have a monitor for it. Nope. Nope. Here. Nope. Yeah. Here. Over here. Okay. So I got this HDMI splitter, so I can basically take one of these monitors and use them to take data from the Raspberry Pi or from my main setup. So that way I don't have to have another Raspberry Pi monitor that's dedicated. So that's kind of nice. I definitely splurged a bit on this stuff. So there's the power source for it. This is where I normally cut. Be sitting around dinking around, and if I do an edited version of this, I'm hoping to get a better camera. I don't think I'm going to do an edited version of this one just because the video's quality is not going to be what I want it to be. But that's fine. Power plug. There we go. I'll spend a good chunk of my day tomorrow redoing all this stuff, but let's toss it around back here. You can't see it, but I'm on my desk here plugging stuff in. All right. We'll take one of the Raspberry Pi HDMI out. Plug it into that thing. Trying to keep it in the right boxes here. I just realized if I don't have a card sitting around, I can't flash it with an OS. So we might actually get to the point where we can flash it with an OS, but that's all right. We're just having fun. And I'm not going to be on too long. I just figured I haven't done a video in literally 6 months, so why not do one? Even if the video quality isn't the best. Alright. So put that there. Try not to break anything. Maybe I should put it in the case first. Slap it in the case first. I have no idea how to use this case. Okay. So we'll slide in. Not like that. Ah, snap off the bottom. we go. Kind of. There we go. It slides under. Over. I guess you slide it just like that. Put this on. Like that. Everything lines up. Looks pretty good to me. There's a way to put a fan in here, but we're not going to let it run for too long right now. That snaps on top, and then I reattach the power cord to the side. I want to set it up so I can SSH into it. That'll be cool. Oh no, that goes into the video slot. And if I get this actually going, I'll share the screen with you so you can see what I'm talking about here. Messy out. In. Then I'm going to need a longer cord. You need a bigger boat. Actually, if I go this way, I won't be able to share the screen because I don't have a capture card. I got an idea. Yep, you get to see my arm there for a minute while I do this. Just sit up on the desk for now so I have even less space to do actual work tomorrow morning. Okay, so I plugged in this old crappy monitor, which I can turn you to face to it over here. And it doesn't seem to be getting any input. It's fine because I'm not actually getting any input. Yeah, it's probably fine because there's no input coming from this device yet. So sit tight. We got to get it power. And probably another keyboard and mouse, but we're just going to power it up and see if it does give us anything. Okay. All right. Come here, monitor. It's not what I was hoping for, but that's all right. We're work in progress. Is power going to it? Is it lighting up? It's lighting up. Oh, dang. SD card not detected. Surprise, surprise. Well, that is the beginning of the Raspberry Pi. That said, leave comments if you have ideas of what you think I ought to do with it. In the meantime, I think, I guess I could go over the other things I bought as well real quickly. Let's turn this back off. I'm going to flip you around here. All right. I'm a huge fan of having notebooks. I do Moleskine dotted, hard-covered. That's what I got. I've actually got another one on my desk that's just currently buried with crap because we just unboxed a bunch of junk. But here's my stuff. Here's a bunch of notes you can see on data collection for gesture recognition for 3D points to figure out where your hand is. But then I think, I can't remember if it was Spaghetti or Alien Anthony. Hey, Spaghetti, all right, nice, thank you. Spaghetti. I feel like I'm saying that really wrong. Spaghetti. I'm not good with the English language, but yeah. So it's got a lot of technical notes in here, and then it also occasionally has doodles of Cyclops and Wolverine in there as well. But yeah, so that's the old one, but you can see it's falling apart here. Oh, there's a sticker I've got that's on Redbubble if anybody wants to buy it. And a schematical sticker that's falling apart, and a beer label. Well, we're not going to get into that. Not important. So I got a new notebook because this one's falling apart. I got this as well, is kind of cool. I got a new portable battery, battery bank. My old one, as far as I know, works fine, but it doesn't have, let's take a look at the old one. I love this thing, but it's not powerful enough to charge a laptop or like anything 120 volt. So this amazing. You travel internationally, you can see this thing. This thing's literally been around the planet with me at least once. Multiple trips back and forth to Europe too. A lot of fun. So it's I can charge anything, pretty much any device anywhere. I'm not going to do a whole review on that. Here's all my power cords and stuff for various things. But this is my existing power bank, and you can see it doesn't have like a 120 volt plug or anything, so I can only charge certain things. But this is probably going to become the new power for the Raspberry Pi, and then ideally this new one will become my primary backup. Oh my god, that is a monster. I did not think it was going to be that big, but wow. I'm not even sure if I can carry this around with me. It's too damn big. Alright, too darn big. Alright. Spaghetti says all good. It's a jumbled name anyway, so there's no real correct way to pronounce it. Schematical's the same way. I just made it up. I mean, your name might actually mean something. Schematical. Or your schematic for doing whatever half-baked product I'm building at that point in time. This looks cool though. It's just a monster. It's heavy. I'm just thinking that weighs almost as much as one of my smaller laptops. Okay, and then last but not least, I guess probably least because it was one of the cheaper things I bought, is a case for the new power dock. And oh, why did I cut it? It's a bag. It's a zip bag. All right, well, whatever. We're using my knife. So it's a Molly webbing pack because I got a Molly bag. Ooh, it's got like a front little organizer thing. I didn't even know that. That's cool. Wow, it's actually better than I thought for the price. I was a little afraid here, but it opens up, and the battery bank is going to go into here, and it will live here with a bunch of power cords, probably on the outside of my existing backpack. If you guys want me to do a video on, I don't know, all the crap I keep in my other kind of cool Molly webbing backpack, which has a bunch of modular stuff like this, like attaches to it, so I can put stuff on, take stuff off. So, in case you're wondering, I'm not like some military guy or nothing. I just like modular stuff. Let's see. I say, and nothing against people that does that. Just, I don't want to claim to be some tough guy. I'm a massive nerd, as we can clearly see. All right. I say it with the TS kind of. Merge into a weird C. C. All right. Cool. Well, I think that's it for now. I didn't have to do a whole lot of work to get everything up and running. But if you're excited to see new stuff, if you like the Minecraft stuff, I'm sorry, I'm not picking that stuff up right now. Hopefully that's not a deal breaker. Thank you guys all for checking me out and subscribing. No, we're going to do a bunch of AI stuff, though, in the near future. And a couple different things. I'm trying to do 12 projects in 12 months. I guess I don't have enough fingers. You get it. And yeah, and so I should say it's 12 startups in 12 months, but I'm clearly not doing that. The first one was January, was more of a privacy and security kind of thing, a special password manager that encrypted your stuff using SSL private PEM pub key stuff, which is cool. Had some issues with sockets in the browser. Didn't quite get it to where I wanted it, but it was a good start. February, I'll just be honest with you, I just moved. That took all of my focus, and then I consulted like crazy to try and pay for the move. So now I'm still consulting like crazy, but yeah, I'm just hopefully going to pump out some cool projects in the near future. So I'm excited about the Alexa clone. That's probably going to be the first one. Get some voice commands going through the Raspberry Pi, teach it to recognize my voice and tell it to do various things. But yeah, eventually I wanted to make it portable, probably mount it to the same backpack I was just yammering around, so I can walk around with it and use some visual, learning stuff, so I can learn while I'm wandering around to different places and see what I'm doing. So that should be interesting. So if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments. Other than that, thank you all. Smash that subscribe and all that stuff. And check us out on Discord. That's where most of the chatter about this happens. So love to hear from you. That said, I'm out.